To add Apple Pay to Shopify, you need to have a Shopify account and a supported payment gateway. First, ensure your store meets the requirements, which include having a Shopify online store, using a compatible theme, and having a payment gateway that supports Apple Pay, such as Shopify Payments or other third-party gateways. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on Payments to view the available payment gateways. If you are using Shopify Payments, Apple Pay will be automatically enabled. If not, you will need to select a payment gateway that supports Apple Pay and follow the setup instructions. Once you have selected a compatible payment gateway, you will need to configure the Apple Pay settings. This includes verifying your business information and agreeing to the terms of service. You may also need to provide additional information, such as your business address and tax ID number. After configuring the Apple Pay settings, you will need to add the Apple Pay button to your store's checkout page. This can be done by going to the checkout settings and selecting the Apple Pay option. You can also customize the appearance of the Apple Pay button to match your store's branding. To test Apple Pay, go to your store's checkout page and select the Apple Pay option. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the payment was successful. Best practices for using Apple Pay on Shopify include ensuring that your store is secure and using a compatible theme. You should also test Apple Pay regularly to ensure that it is working properly and make any necessary adjustments to the settings. Additionally, you can customize the Apple Pay experience to match your store's branding and provide a seamless checkout experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add Apple Pay to your Shopify store and provide your customers with a secure and convenient payment option. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall customer experience, making it a valuable addition to your e-commerce business.